What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Joan, and in this video I got a good one for y'all. I'm gonna be building a chicken coop. So we've been wanting to do this for a while, and I told Jasmine about it. She's on board and everything, and we want to do it for the kids too, so they can have a little experience of farm style, you know taking care of them, feeding them and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna start building it today. Hopefully this project doesn't take me 2-3 months. I mean, it's not a complicated one, so I think I can have it done in 2-3 weeks max. But yeah, so I already got a design that I found on Trimble, and I'm gonna show y'all. So yeah, this is the design that I came up with. It's a very simple design, nothing complicated. I believe this is very easy for me to build. And yeah, I mean, it's not that big, very simple. So this is my inspo right here. It gives me all the measurements and everything, so I don't gotta break my head too much. But yeah, let's get to it. So this is where I'm going to be building it, here in the backyard. And I already have my layout basically for the post and everything. It's gonna be 2 posts right there, the other 2 over there. So yeah, guys, there goes the structure of it. Got it standing and poured concrete. It's gonna be like the little house area, and then pick up the eggs and everything. It's gonna be the door, and then the hangout area for them there. I will let them roam outside in the whole backyard, but that's gonna be their little hangout area. All right, guys, so last week I did not work on the chicken house or the chicken coop because it was just way too cold. It was like in the single digits, the 20s, man, it was just freezing. And then we had snow, so we didn't get to work. But I got pretty good amount done yesterday and a little bit today. Well, I'm still working on it today, but let me show you what I got so far. So I got the base of the little house that I'm gonna make. I did the roof part. That's gonna be the top of it, and then in the back is a little bit of slope on there. And right now I'm adding, I got Leo helping me, and I'm adding the boards for the little house. So there it goes. So yeah, guys, this is what I got so far. I got the back wall. I'm gonna make a little change on this. I'm gonna make a opening there, so whenever I want to get inside and clean it and everything, I'll have a door there. And this is gonna be the door for the chickens to come in, so I gotta design that. Or I've gotten this so far. Got the little door for where they can get in. I'm doing the little area where they're gonna be able to lay their eggs. So it's gonna be that little part right there. I just have to design it, but it's coming along. All right, guys, so I've gotten this far. Paint! See, we started to paint everything, got everything painted. Let me give y'all a walkthrough. There it goes, the side. And I'm gonna be doing the screw and a little washer, so it can hold like that. That way the wire doesn't, the screw doesn't go through the fence like this. Chicken wire, screw, washer, and it's not going anywhere. We're at Tractor Supply, about to get the baby chicks. Got the boys.
Baby chicken, baby chicken, baby chicken, baby chicken. Oh, Dad, we need to. We have to get in the bathroom.
Okay, come on.
No, we have to get in the bathroom, Dad.
We don't need one.
Please. Yes, I need one. Baby.
Okay, come on.
I'm gonna go.
Chicks are here. That's all they got left. Which ones do y'all want, guys?
This one.
You want that one?
This one.
What about you, Leo?
This one.
You want that one?
I'm getting
You got
13 chickens.
Oh, that's a lot.
I want this one. I want to get this one.
One
One of
sapphire and then one of the
Cinnamon queens.
cinnamon. Yeah.
You want a dark or light one? Because
Uh,
that one's pretty light, but then the one next to it is pretty dark.
I want
well,
10
no,
chickens.
the black
Dad.
6.
Dad.
And those could all be females, or still possibly it could be.
They're supposed to be females, but there's always going to be that 10% chance.
Okay. And then the last two would do the rustic rock. Thank you.
Dad, chicken.
Okay, grab it from
It's
here.
your baby chicken.
We're gonna get a couple more stuff,
Careful,
okay?
okay? You got it? Or you want mommy and daddy help you?
Grab it from here. From here. Yeah, like that.
Gentle, baby.
Show Lenny.
You got your pets in there?
Take a picture.
I like to keep
Organic.
it organic and we want them to be healthy.
Give me, Daddy.
Duck.
Wait, let's light Daddy's
Because we can just add a little bit of water and kind of moist it so they can eat it.
Look.
We have our starter kit now, the baby chicks, the feeders, the drinkers, and
A light.
the light, keep them warm, the bedding, and the food. Now we just need to get the container to keep them in.
Their
What
house.
do you think? Like some big old storage boxes?
Yeah, them plastic tubs.
Alright, we just stopped at Walmart and we head home and
Let's
set it
take
up.
6 more. Bye-bye.
This one is on this one. Be careful. She's gonna hurt you.
What do y'all got, guys?
Baby chicken.
What you got, Lenny? Look
They're
at the
literally
baby
right-
chicks.
Say hi.
Ow.
He poke you?
You.
The
I don't
babies.
talk to you,
Okay, wait, one
baby.
second. We gotta build their house, okay?
We did drop it.
Like that, yeah. You too, Lenny, grab some.
Isn't that look kind of small?
What?
To put the water and the...
We can just put smaller things.
Oh my god, Lenny. Got the...
Okay, yeah, leave it like that. Okay.
No.
So yeah, we have the corn. See, it's like corn. And then we add a little bit of water. And we're just gonna mash it up and mix it.
You got them wet and se están sacudiendo.
Okay, serve food.
Go right there.
So you see how it's very mashed up corn? So that's their food. And some water. We're gonna use these little ones because those are way too big for them right now. Now we're gonna put them in their house, okay? Okay, you gotta grab it with your whole hand. Grab it with your hand. Okay, put it. No, así no.
Oh my...
Put it there. Put it there.
Oh,
Okay, you wanna?
oh my goodness.
Lenny,
She was
look.
a pretty
Touch it.
girl.
Yeah. Don't squeeze it.
Don't twist slowly.
Okay, put it in there.
Slow, don't throw her. Slowly, slowly. Okay.
There you go.
Last 2 more.
Hold on.
It's okay. Just so you can see.
He's eating.
I'm sorry.
He's a chubby little one. I'll put it on your hand. Put your hand like this. There you go. And put the other one like this. Mejor like this. And put the other one that way. Okay, there you go.
Don't squeeze it, Leo. Don't
They
squeeze
already
it.
pooped in here.
Put right there.
No, ese no.
No more.
Ay,
Mira, está
This one.
comiendo.
This one, Mom.
okay. told you.
They're in their home now.
And tea.
They were hungry. They were stretching.
I'll give
You like your baby chickens?
I like this.
Oh, do you like that one? What about you, Lenny? Which one do you like?
I want a black.
The black one?
Which one? There's 3.
There's 4 black
4, yeah. Alright guys, as y'all can see, I have finished the chicken coop, and I'll start recording the whole construction part because I was just too busy. I was trying to get it done and I was behind on schedule. So, but let me give y'all a walkthrough of everything that I built for the chicken coop and how I built it. Basically like the design I showed y'all on the laptop. But let me give y'all a walkthrough. So yeah, this is the design. Like I told y'all, I built the little house for them to stay in, and then the little area for them to hang out, and then under the house too. I got my door right there, but I'll start with this. I put a window right here so we can see inside. But yeah, small little window. Try to do our little logo here, Herrera, but I didn't like how all this extra stuff came out, so I'm gonna redo it, just the Herrera. But that's the little house. And then on this side, I gotta add a little more design there, but it looks nice. It's a little door to the egg area. Open it, and I built 3 little sections.
There's nothing
So
there.
3 chickens to lay eggs at the same
Nothing
time.
there.
No, there's nothing there right now.
There's no bear chick.
And then come get the eggs out, and then you close it. Then you got it. Turn it. Turn it. Good job. But yeah, you close it, and then on the back I built a little door to get inside the house, to clean it up and, you know, do the maintenance. Right now we got the baby chicks, we got the chicks roaming around here, so that's why I put the little shaved pine, whatever, and still got the bulb there for the nighttime because it does get cold. But what do y'all recommend to put for the bedding? Do y'all put sand, or do y'all keep the pine shavings? I just feel like the pine shaving is going to be a little bit, the pine shaving is a little harder to clean, or a lot messier. So I don't know if the sand helps out a lot more in cleaning it. But I need to figure something out. But yeah. I also have the little logs here for them to sleep on whenever they're older. Hi, Len. Okay, I'm gonna close this door. Okay, now the front. So I got the door right here. Easy latch. Open it. And we have our chicks right here. Like y'all saw, we got 6 chicks, and we still haven't named them because I know their color's still gonna change a little bit. But I know Jasmine named this one Sterling, the gray one. And then they also built their little ladder there for them to go up to the little house and go to sleep up here. We got 2 of them in there right now, and then the other ones down here, they're still a little shy, but yeah, they're about, I would say, a little over a month old, but they're growing pretty quick. Grab it. Grab her, grab her. Grab her. Wait. Okay, I better back up. Okay, smile. Okay, let go. I got her. So yeah, this is one of the little girls. It'll be a big egg layer. Oh, oh, where you going? Where you going? Okay, go, jump. Get her down, Leo. All right, so yeah, like I told y'all, this is our chicken coop. Mainly did it for, because we want to have eggs. We want to have fresh eggs. You know, they come out of the chicken, we go straight to the pan. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot more cooking videos. And make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you leave me a like in this video, another building video. And yeah, thank y'all.